Good evening everyone, Jaron from the Fishing Mafia. We've just been locked down for 5 days.
So, because this is so infectious and is moving so fast, we need a circuit breaker. Therefore, I'm announcing, on advice from the Chief Health Officer and after a meeting of relevant Cabinet committees and the full Cabinet, that from 11:59 p.m. tonight, Victoria, all of Victoria, will go to stage 4.
So we're out fishing before midnight on Friday. Here with Saxon and Jack, the redfin slayers. We'll see how we go. Everyone's trying to get out fishing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was a bite. That was an EP bite. Oh, no, dropped him. I reckon there's little EPs hanging around these weeds. Have you ever tried, see that? That's a stump. I don't know if you ever had stump trumpets on my rod.
Oh, yeah, I've seen you use that.
Yeah, I catch a lot because they're designed, they go over logs, that's why they're called stump jumpers, they don't get snagged much.
Oh.
They use them a lot for Murray cod and yellow belly up north.
Yeah.
But I've caught so many redfin on them and you actually just flick it sideways along the banks and you just bring it along like this, line through them. I reckon there's an eel down here.
Yeah.
Pulled on it. I've had 3 casts, 2 bites, and my line started going this way. How are you, mate? Oh, we'll have to go that way.
G'day mate, how are you?
Alright, here you are. Just go down to the holiday house.
No, I'm not fishing.
Just a few bites,
A
mate.
few bites.
Oh, you're, G'day, mate. How you going? Yeah, good. Yourself? That's good. Getting a few bites there. Yeah.
Can't beat 'em, can you?
No.
With all the minnows coming out of the water.
Little eel. Little eel.
See all the minnows coming out of the water there?
My mum always said
Fishing.
life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Oh, settle down. Yeah, no, thank you. Thank you.
Put us on your YouTube channel.
Sitting over there,
No,
so
we
it's
saw
pointing my way.
Yeah. What do you want, the prize? Yeah. All right, take it easy.
All right, good luck. First fish, bloody eel, of course. That felt like a redfin, probably because it's small.
One EP over there.
Oh yeah.
Under the big.
I'm getting plenty of bites, just no hookup.
Yeah.
Why should we have to swim when you go? Why would you have to swim when you go like we're going fishing? That's a big one, wasn't it? It has
It's
to be
pulling a
big.
bit of drag, but it's not. It's an eel by the head shake. See?
Yeah,
Nah, it's only little again.
yeah.
Little eels down this end,
What lost it again?
I reckon. They swallow it. They always do.
Oh, there's your hook. Cut it.
Alright guys, that ends the session down here. It's just a bit too dark to film. Only 2 eels tonight. Still getting plenty of bites, so we'll keep fishing until probably about 11:30, so get home before 11:59 when the lockdown starts. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.